It's tiny, glowing, and deadly. Hit subscribe before this ocean assassin disappears. This is the blue-ringed octopus, one of the most poisonous animals on the planet. It can fit in your palm, but its bite can shut down your body in minutes. Its venom? Tetrodotoxin, stronger than cyanide. There's no antidote. And it doesn't attack unless it feels threatened. Those flashing rings? That's your one and only warning. The ocean hides some deadly surprises, like this glowing killer in disguise. If you love insane creatures like this, don't miss out. Subscribe now for more wild nature drops.